Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, I'm going to show you a simple trick how you can zoom in and zoom out to your databases and pages in your Notion workspace really quickly. For example, if you'd like to investigate a database or property or a set of data from a close distance. So let me show you how to zoom in really quickly. Let's say you're accessing Notion through Google Chrome, which is what I'm doing right now. So there are basically two different approaches, guys, here on Chrome. Make sure that you're logged in to your Notion account, of course. Head over to your workspace and access a page. So let me go with that page here for the sake of this tutorial. Option number one would be to simply use the built-in zoom in, zoom out function here on Chrome. To access or to use it, simply press a left control on your keyboard and move your mouse wheel to zoom in if you move your mouse wheel forward, or zoom out if you move it backward while holding left control on your keyboard. So that's actually how you do it. You may also alternately use control and plus and minus on your keyboard to do that. The other option, guys, would be to simply download or to install a Chrome extension that is called, let me give you the name of it, Mouse Pinch to Zoom. You can download it conveniently from the from the Chrome extension store, just like that. So simply head over to the Chrome extension center here, extensions, click on manage extensions here, head over to the Chrome web store here and look for that extension. Let me just copy the name of it, search for it here on in the Chrome web store and install it. As you can see, it's that one here at the top of that list. Simply click on it, install it. As you can see, I have already installed it, so I can only remove it. Install it with one click of your mouse, add it to your extensions on Google Chrome. And once it has been installed, guys, and also enabled here in the top right corner, so make sure that it is enabled and not, for example, disabled. What you will need to do is simply hold Alt on your keyboard and move your mouse wheel, and that is going to give you a much easier and, as you can see, much more customizable zoom in, zoom out effect like that without these stages of zooming 110%, 20, 30, 25, and so on and so forth you would usually use with the built-in zoom in feature here on Google Chrome. So again, if you use that extension, simply press Alt and move your mouse wheel, and you can zoom in to any part of your display using or while being logged into your Google Chrome account and using that extension. So super convenient, as you can see, super easy to use. That's how you zoom in, zoom out on Notion. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.